Hey everybody, Anthony over at Kia here. Today I'm going to show you how to jumpstart your Kia Seltos. And worst case scenario, if your key fob is dead, I'm going to show you how to access the vehicle in case both are dead. What you're going to want to do is press and hold the indent in, pull the key out. Once you have this key pulled out, you want to manually unlock it. There's an indent right under here. Pull that in and it pries right out. As soon as you have it off, you could use the manual key to access your vehicle. So once you're inside your Kia Seltos, you're going to want to pop the hood. It's on the left-hand side underneath the driver panel. You're going to take your hand and pull this lever on the left-hand side, and then you're going to be able to access the hood to jumpstart the car. Once you have your hood open, you're going to attach your jumper cables. Here is your positive side. Open up that lid, attach your red cable for positive. Once that's attached, take your black negative cable and hook it up to the opposite side. And now you're ready to jumpstart your Kia Seltos.
Airports, Kia, high price sales scores.